Hi, in this video I'm going to share how I order a Kindle cover for to publish on Amazon. So the cheapest way to do it is to go to fiverr.com and then just type Kindle cover. Once you do that, um, you're gonna see different Fiverr gigs that you can choose from. You can look at the reviews, and also you can sort by best selling or newest arrivals. And you can check the prices: 15, 5, 20, 10. Best selling, they have the most reviews. And what I do is that I choose at least 2 gigs to go from, and then we just need to follow the instructions. So I'm going to try this one out first. So it says it's 15 for the basic, 30 for the standard. It includes a KDP print ready cover. Premium, Kindle KDP premium files included, source file, commercial use, and 3D image. This one is $50. And we can look at other covers they have made. This one look good. Yeah, so once you find one that you want to pay, um, you just send them the information, the title of the book, maybe, yeah, also send them some examples of other covers that you like. So I'm going to order a cover about personal branding. I'm gonna look at some covers that I like, that I want my cover to be similar to. Okay, yeah, well, these are enough. So when you send a Kindle link to someone, all you need is the link information until the number before the ref. So we don't need this. And I'll choose 3, the 3 that I like the most, and send to the Fiverr gig. So right now I'm not going to order it because I still don't have the title ready. And I'm going to wait for the description of the book so that I can also order the print ready cover, so that I can publish the paperback version as well as the Kindle version. And also, I always want the source file so that I can make changes if I need to. And but all you need is the basic Kindle file. You can get that for $5 usually. Here's one for $5. Sometimes the new ones, because they're new, they want to have good reviews, so they'll do a great job. But if you want to go with something that you know is good, look for ones that have reviews, 5-star reviews. So all you need is a $5 cover. Maybe get 2 of them or 3 of them, and then you can ask some people, some of your friends, family, or if you have an audience, you can ask them to decide which cover looks better or what to change. So you can get some for $5, and then you can also order the paperback cover. And I recommend to get a paperback cover as well um, you'll get more views, you'll get um, more options for your book to be seen on Amazon. And some people do buy the paperbacks. They are like $10 or $15, depending on the size of the book, the number of the pages. And paperback cover, you can get them for $5. So if you get the Kindle, the basic, the Kindle cover for $5, and then you can find another gig for the paperback for $5, then you'll only spend $10. So I suggest you get 2 or 3 Kindle cover designs, and once you choose the one that is best, you ask some people to give you feedback, then order the paperback cover. And you just need to follow the instructions when ordering a cover. And like I say, I prefer to have the source file in case I need to make a change. I don't need the 3D image for Kindle. Then they say what they need from you. Usually for paperback covers, they need the title, the Kindle cover that you already have. They need the text for the side, the spine, and then the description for the back and an image about the author. Oh yeah, so here it is. It says basic. They need the back spine and print. Oh, that's what they send you. Yeah. So yeah, I don't need the 3D image. Usually Kindle covers are flat covers, not 3D covers. And for example, when I was going to order my cover right now, but I forgot to get the title ready. But I would send them this one. This looks pretty good, pretty professional. And this one, I like orange. There is a book called, I forgot the name, Contagious, and they say that orange color, it draws attention. This one I wouldn't use. This one not either. Let me just check the information here. Yeah, I know this guy. I think I'm in a Facebook group and he's there too. Um, this one looks okay, and this other one looks okay too. So maybe I would find another one that looks more professional. Well, this one looks great. Yes, I would send them these three covers. I would tell them, please create a cover similar to these ones. Maybe I can tell them to use orange color, like in this one, in the background. To use a similar font to this one, or similar colors to this one. And like I told you, I would order 2 or 3, and then ask people for feedback on which the best cover is, looks like, well, what the best cover they like, what cover they like better, and use that one. So I would send them these 3. I would order 3 Kindle covers, only the basic one. And yeah, that's it. So once you order once you order the cover, it takes you to a page where you need to pay, or you can add some extras, like they have different extras. So this one accepts a tip. I will purchase 1 extra stock image for your design, diamond service, 3 mockups, 3D cover, files ready to print, 1-day delivery. So then you need to pay, and then it sends you to a page where they ask you for the information. So usually they ask for the title, what the subtitle is, who the author is, and examples of covers you like. In there I would send them these ones, and that's it. So I ordered a book. It's about influence, and I made a video on another video about how to find a niche that sells. And I'm creating one on influence because they look like they're popular now, and also because I want to learn how to become an influencer. I'm reading a lot of books on that topic, but I hired a professional writer so that they can do the writing for me, the professional one. I told them what I want the book to be like, what I want the book to include, and now I need to order the cover, but I haven't created the title yet. So the titles are really important because when someone is usually when people buy Kindle books, they are on their phones. So on their phones, the covers look really small, about the size of a thumb nail. So the first thing they see is the cover. The cover needs to be great. It needs to draw their attention. The second thing they'll read is the title. The title needs to hook them. It needs to make them want to learn more. So I need a really good title, need some good copy, and also to include some keywords for SEO so that it ranks better on Amazon. I created a few titles, but I need to ask some people to see which one they like better, because titles make a huge difference. So some titles you might think are good. So for example, I would create something like, I have the keyword influencer in the front. Influencer. because I want to rank for that keyword. Well, I need to check again because so that I can, but I'm just making an example. So, for example, influencer, how to become an influencer in 3 months, for example, or influencing secrets. What top what the top influencers have in common or don't want you to know. Um, Also, I read a book on creating titles by somebody named Derek Doppler years ago. But it was a great book, and it recommended to use power words. Power words are words like best, the best, secrets, mastery, so, some of those kinds of words, so that your book hooks people into want to read more. So these are two examples I made really quick. So influencer, how to become an influencer in 3 months. Or influencing secrets, what the top influencers don't want you to know. So if somebody is looking for an influencer book and your book has a nice cover and then they see something like this, influencing secrets, what they don't want you to know. So they might want to learn more. So the next thing they do is they read your description. Your description is your sales page. It needs to be really great. So first the the cover catch their attention, then the title hooks them into want to learn more, and then your description is what sells them into buying the book. I will talk more about descriptions in another video and titles, but that's it for now. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.